Now for this dish, we first start by chopping some eggplant and soak it in some water with some vinegar. So the vinegar will keep the color nice and purple when we steam this, and also prevent the iron from turning our flesh black. And we move on to chopping our garlic. So we have about 1.5 cloves here. So we want to chop it and dice it into fine pieces. Then we separate it into 2 separate containers. One for the fish and the other one for the eggplant. Now the eggplant is ready after 10 minutes. So we take it out and allow it to drain slightly. Then we can move it in to our steamer. So a regular steamer will do, and we just drop it in randomly. It doesn't matter if it's facing up or down with the skin. We spread it and make sure it's covered under high heat for 5 minutes. Then we have our fish. Today we're using snapper fillets. So we have about 6 or 7 pieces here. Then we rinse and clean this. Then we're ready to season this with some shrimp paste. We have 2 tablespoons of shrimp paste. Then we add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce to it, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil for flavor. And finally, our chopped garlic. We sprinkle some over our fish. Now we mix this well and allow it to marinate in this for about half an hour or more if you can. So while that is marinating, we can move on to check on our eggplant. We're heating some oil for later use. So our eggplant, let's see how it looks. Ooh, it's beautiful. Nice. So we can turn off the heat and let that cool. So we heat our skillet with some oil and we can start frying our fish. We'll put the skin side down first, and we'll lay it out on one skillet and allow it to brown nicely on both sides. So this will usually take about anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes. So once that is browned nicely and cooked through, we can remove it and set it aside on our plate to cool. Then with our remaining sauce, we add some water and we can start reducing it. As you can see, it's looking beautiful. And once it's reduced, we can turn off the heat and use that as our sauce over the fish. Now let's assemble our eggplant with various seasoning. So with our large bowl, we pour our eggplant in, and we can add our fresh chopped garlic, our chili flakes, our Szechuan salt. This adds a lot of nice aroma. Then finally, we add a little bit of salt for more taste. Then our hot oil we pour over the top, and then we mix this in very well. So this will add a lot of flavor. The hot oil will activate all the dry ingredients and give it a nice shimmer. Look at this, it's shining and it's still nice and purple after the steaming. Great, now let's move to plating. So we place our eggplant on one side, facing up or down, your choice, and we can bring our fish in. So we layer our fish right next to it. Beautiful, look at this. It serves a nice dish for dinner or lunch. And finally our sauce over everything. Okay, it's complete. Look at this. It's beautiful and it's tasty. So enjoy, bon appetit, and if you like what you see, make sure you check out our other videos. Bye now.